Hello guys, my name is Nadia and today I will work this motif. I will start with the very center using a hook and yarn mentioned in the pattern. I'm leaving about 10 centimeters long tail and working 10 chains. The first one I will be leaving loose and continue to work 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slip stitch in the first chain to make a ring, and little bit tightened. Now I'm placing the end along the ring to make it more secure. I will work now in the middle of the ring, around 1 single crochet and then hook in the middle of the ring, 20 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then hook in the ring again and work single crochet. Chain 20 chains. Single crochet in the ring again. Now I have 2 petals out of 9. Continue to work the same way and you will have 9 petals like I do. At the moment I have 9 petals here, and the only I need to do is join it by the slip stitch with the very first single crochet. Okay, working slip stitch. Oh, one more time. Slip stitch. Okay, well done. Now I will work along this first petal. I will work by slip stitches to reach very top of the first petal. 9 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I'm on the top of the first petal. Round 2, single crochet in the top of the petal, 9 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Move to the next petal and work under this chain, single crochet, 9 chains again, single crochet in the next petal, single crochet in the next petal, 9 chains, single crochet in the next petal, and 9 crochets, 9 chains more. I made the 9th chain, so I need to slip stitch in the first single crochet here. Okay, well done. Starting from this point, we will work around 3 single crochet in the single crochet. So I need to work single crochet exactly in the same bottom. Okay. 10 chains, single crochet under the chain. Don't work it in the chain. It's enough to work it under chain. 10 more chains. Single crochet in the top of the single crochet. So, what did I get? The third round looks like small triangles, 2 triangles above each chain, 9 chains. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Single crochet under the chains, 10 chains. Single crochet in single crochet. Continue all the way around until you finish round 3. again above the next 9 chains I will work 10 chains, then join in the middle by single crochet 10 more and join by single crochet here. And the final, the nine chains will be caught by this again, and single crochet under the chain 9, 10 chains again. Now we join to the very first single crochet by slip stitch. Now we will cut and turn the work, grab needle with a very sharp end. It's very important, and I will hide the end. Again, I'm doing it on the wrong side, and needle to work and pull it through. I will work a couple of stitches and then stitch back, small stitch back, and again stitch ahead, small stitch back, stitch ahead. I've made 3 stitches, it's enough. Cutting yarn now, and now I will manage by the first initial end. It looks like a little bit tight, a little bit loose here, so I'm tightening it up. It's looking better now, and after that I will hide this end like I did before. I will hide it in the ring. small stitch back, stitch ahead, small stitch back, and again stitch ahead, small stitch back, and step ahead. Now it's secure, very secure. These small steps back allowed me to make my work very secure. So this motif is finished, and in the next video I will show how to join my motifs.